Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about emboss with lens. Left side you can see this component, right side this is the forming tool. See, this is the component I am going to create, embossing with lens. See here, this is the material has been removed. See, so this is combination of embossing and lancing operation, and I am going to show you how to create this forming tool. So let's start now. Initially I am going to create form tool. Select the top plane, go to sketch, select center rectangle, this is 50 mm, and select these two lines and make it equal. So thickness we can assign any value. I am going to take 2 mm and say OK. Now select this top face, go to sketch, draw one circle, this is 30 mm, go to features, extrude of 3 mm and say OK. See, the extrude value should have the draft value of 30 mm and say OK. Now select the top face, go to sketch, keep it in wireframe, and select this edge and convert entity and this convert entity. Draw one rectangle, draw one center line vertically. Now select the trim entities, and delete these two lines. And this is 4 mm, and select these three lines, make it symmetric. See, it is fully constrained now. Keep it in shaded form. See here. Now I am going to create extrude. So here we have to select up to surface and select this face. See here. See, this is the imaginary axis we can show from here. So I am going to create a circular pattern. So select this axis and this boss and make it 4. Select a fillet and select this edge. See, fillet value is 10 mm. See here, and say OK. See, select one more fillet and apply 0.1. to remove the sharp edges. See here. Now go to sheet metal module, select the forming tool. See, this is the stopping phase and the rest is the forming phase. So for a lancing operation, we have to select the faces, that faces to remove. So we have to select these faces. See here. So this is for lancing operation, removal of material. See here. So the yellow portion is forming and this is the removal of material, lancing, and the other one is for stopping phase. So after completing this model, we have to save in the forming tool folder. See here, this is the folder. We can save anywhere in this folder. So after saving, we have to close this file. Now we have to create one sheet. Select this top face, go to sketch, center rectangle, so select these two lines, make it equal, and this is 50, and go to sheet metal and this is 0.1. So now we have saved this file in the forming tool folder. So I have already saved it. So I am going to drag and drop from here. See here. Keep it in front view, so visibility, it is in downward, but here we can see it is, we want the component in upward direction, so we have to flip this. See, it is upward, and exact position we can dimension it. So I want to place at the exactly at the center, so draw one line diagonally and drag this point exactly to the center. So it is exactly at the center now, and say OK. See here. So now we can see that there is an embossing operation as well as removal of material. See, the material has been removed here. There is a gap. You can see in the opposite direction there is a gap. So this is the lancing operation. So this is the combination of forming and lancing operation. This is how the component looks like. So this is brief about emboss with lance. Thanks for watching.